Yo, what's up everyone? Just left Heaton Hot Rods in Romeoville, Illinois. I dropped in on my buddy Jay to see how it's going with the E63. He's repainting it with a custom color he came up with. So, without further delay, click like, subscribe, support the channel, and here we go. So while I'm at Heaton Hot Rods, I want to show you guys the showroom. I haven't been here, so starting out, man, that is just dope. Get a scope of like everything that's here, and I'm just going to do a full walk around of all the cars. Gotta love the old shell pump. Look at this thing. Absolutely gorgeous. Stance is sick. Uh-oh, Vortec. This car is a beast on the street. All you Corvette guys might enjoy a car like this. I just like cars that are just in general, so I don't care what it is really. Look at this machine here. Goodness gracious. That custom job, baby. This Heaton Hot Rods, this is what they do. It's a little sunny in the showroom, obviously, you can tell, but I'll do the best I can. I'm not going to do much editing. I'm just going to let it roll. So any of the glares and all of that, you're just going to have to live with it. Yeah. You did come up with this color? So my buddy Jay came up with this color. Look at it in the sun. You can see the glare right along the A-pillar there. The color change on it. $210 miles, wow, that's crazy. original year or first year of the Dodge Viper. This is a treat to own here, that's for sure. If you're a Viper fan, which I am. All you Smokey and the Bandit fans out there, you know that movie, and you know this car. If you don't know this car, then go watch the movie. It's an old school movie. But if you're a car guy, you definitely should know that movie. I would drive this thing damn near every day. That even stance, that's crazy. Like those wheels, looks good. Tank in the back. Pop the hood for me, Jay. Yeah, that's okay, that's what it's supposed to be. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you some of the cars here at Heaton Hot Rods. We're gonna get back to Jay's car now and get some video on that. I gotta step in the paint booth and shoot some of the panels while they are silver. And we're gonna show them in a different color. But hey, thanks for watching up to this point. We'll keep it going. Okay guys, we brought this panel outside. I'm gonna try to see if I can get some, I don't know, some real color out of this thing. I have to tell you, in person, this custom color he came up with is ridiculous. It's teal, seafoam, silver, blue. I mean, there's a lot going on with this. The color shift is beautiful. So let me see if I can get some of it. Jay's already got the bumper, or bumpers I should say, set up and ready to go. That was from a little fender bender. Earlier in the summer, somebody tapped them on accident. Yeah, and then they drove off. So it is what it is. Seems like I have to screw it. I'm a paint guy, I can repair it.